Good afternoon, dear friends. In today's video, I am going to share some tips with you on how to clean the mushrooms and store them. Because mushrooms tend to get spoiled very fast. They become blackish and you don't feel like using them. So when you buy them the same day or the next day, you can wash them up this way and store them for later use. And use them as and when required in making soups or as pizza toppings, noodles, fried rice and curries, whatever you like. You can take out from the freezer and use them. So I'm sure you're going to like this tip. Let's proceed.
Transfer the mushrooms into a flat bowl. This way you can clean each and every one easily. Now sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour. Use any flour available. You can use all-purpose flour, whole wheat flour, anything. Scrub each mushroom with the flour gently, because mushrooms are very delicate. The flour removes the coating, thin coating of muck on top. Now wash them well under running water. Take each mushroom and wash it, scrubbing them with your fingers. You can scrape out black little spots if you see any. It's very important to clean the mushrooms very well. Now drain out all the water completely. Take a clean kitchen cloth and wipe the mushrooms. Be very gentle in handling them. Now you can slice them to the desired size and shape, depending on what you are going to use them for. I generally slice them in bigger chunks because mostly I use them for pizza topping or in some curry. Add them simply to some curry, mixed vegetable curry. Now take a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Dip in the mushrooms. Now we are going to stir fry these until all the moisture content from the mushrooms is going to dry up, because mushrooms leave lot of water while cooking. Do not cover the pan, because this way if you cover there will be more water. Do this on high flame, which will be done very fast. We also don't want to overcook the mushrooms. They should have crunch in them. I'm not seasoning with anything. If you wish, you can season with some dried herbs or fresh herbs, but I keep them plain because this way you can use them in any dish you want. Continuously stir them. Once the water is dried up, let them cool well. You take a box, label it, and you can store them this way in the freezer. They stay good for a very long time, but when you store small quantities, you end up finishing them fast. When you have ready mushrooms like this, they really are handy, especially when you want to make some pizza. You can use them as topping, or you can add them to noodles. There are many ways you can use these, even fried rice or soup. So here goes, the box is ready to go into the freezer. Hope you like this tip. Thank you for watching, dear friends. Do check out the other videos also on kitchen tips and tricks. I've shared few of them earlier too. Stay tuned. Bye.